everyone, welcome to another vlog. And I know that not traveling too much these days, and I have also shared some vlogs on about my experiences in US, all the people who are coming to US, what are the things that they need to keep in mind and things like that. So do watch those vlogs out. Today is Saturday and today it's somewhere around 9 o'clock in the morning, and we are leaving for a trek. Because as you know, staying in Boston, we have 2 to 3 months of fall and summer left, and after that it's going to be winter, so it's very difficult to go out in snow and do things which you need to do, like mountain trekking or going to for a kayak or going to the beach and things like that. So today we have decided we are going to New Hampshire. You have seen my past vlogs visiting New Hampshire. It's going to take me somewhere around 1.5 hours to reach to New Hampshire, and there we start the trek. So it's the Mount Monadnock trek. What's the level of the trek and what way we took and things like that. But right now we are super duper excited. I'm just waiting for my other friends to come and pick me up, and Norma and Kirti are already here at my place. Okay, alright, so stay glued till the end of the vlog to catch all the updates. Bye bye. Okay, so we just left from my place and we have taken a quick stop at McDonald's to have breakfast. After this, I think we are going to take just one more stop before we climb for a restroom break and taking some snacks up. But as of now, it's just that, and it's somewhere around 9:30 right now. Expecting to start the trek at 11 a.m. Usually, you should obviously do these treks early in the morning. You should be starting somewhere around 7. It's a Saturday. All of us are working, so you also need that much amount of sleep. So it's okay when we all are together to start a little late. Hi everyone, so we have finally reached Mount Monadnock, which is in New Hampshire, and if you can see, this is the cute little park store out here. We are waiting for another car and another group of friends, and once they are here, then we are going to start the trek. So we just got these maps, okay, from the store, and we are thinking of doing which one? White Dot or White Cross. So White Dot is going to take us 2 hours to the summit, and White Cross is 2.5 hours. So if you want to see this map, till here this is same, and then there is a diversion for White Cross and White Dot. So ideally it's just in half an hour more, the White Cross is half an hour more, but we have been just told by the localite that be prepared to come back. Okay, that was one of the statements that I heard from him. So we are just thinking how this all is going to go. We have made up our mind that we are going to go to the top, but just a localite recommended that be with the group, start with the group, end with the group, be there to rescue yourself and be ready to come back. So we are a group of 10 people who are going to actually do the climb. And if you can see, this is a very beautiful, pretty place out here. I am very excited to see this place actually in fall, because you can see different colors everywhere. But yeah, it's a good day also. It is not sunny, and there is a very light wind, so it's going to be good. Okay, so people here are getting ready for the trek and applying bug spray. Thepla nahi hai wo. Darshit, expert comments. People really liked your last vlog and appearance.
You are in for a surprise today.
Here we have a Ronaldo fan showing off his Juventus jersey while he can. A friendly reminder along the way that we are indeed on the right path, as noted by this. The friendly White Dot yet again. Aww. A cute awe moment by the White Dot. and we're hopefully at the halfway mark, and we made it. Given how steep the route is, and using human psychology, we're leaving them behind so that they feel left behind and catch up to us. Bye guys, see you at the top. After imagining that we've dumped 3/4, realization hit hard when we turn back and see the board for halfway. What time is it? Lunchtime.
It's PM.
As you guys know, we have covered halfway, and today's vlog is taken over by Sandy. You have seen him in my prior vlogs. Because it is a steep hike and we have covered halfway more to go. Somewhere around an hour is what we are expecting that we'll take to reach the hike. So stay glued for all the updates, and Sandy is going to give it today. Hi everyone, so we have finally reached the summit, Mount Monadnock summit. So as I was telling you, we took the White Dot trail, and you have a lot of options. So White Dot is the easiest trail, but if you're traveling with a group, it might become a little difficult. So even if it says 2 hours, you might take somewhere around 3 hours to actually hike. Now this is the amazing view that we have here, and it was definitely worth the climb.
Don't you think we're done?